Windows 7 is going to change the way you interact with the many devices you might connect to your computer. You're now going to have one convenient devices and printer location for viewing and configuring all your devices like printers, cameras, phones, USB drives, and so on. And a new technology called DeviceStage is going to simplify the process of installing multifunction devices like smartphones, media players, and multifunction printers. So let's do our best to explore this now with our release candidate. We're going to start with an empty desktop, nothing running, and we're simply going to plug in a device. I'm going to plug in a multifunction printer. So let's do that. So right away you see the bubble in the bottom right hand corner in the tray. Shows you that it's installing. It's found the device drivers, automatically installed them, and tells me that my device is now ready to start using. So this happens when you plug a device in. Windows kicks in right away to install the necessary drivers and make it instantly ready to use. You don't have to go searching for those drivers yourself. Let's explore this now by going to our Start button, the Windows orb, and selecting Devices and Printers. So here we're going to see devices across the top. These are devices currently attached to my computer. Down below under Printers and Faxes, there's the printer I just plugged in, and it got installed for me. Very simple process. Now, with this being a release candidate for Windows 7, partnerships with many of the various device makers out there have not been solidified yet. So we're not going to see the whole picture quite yet. With DeviceStage, you'll eventually see unique pages pop up for each device when you plug it in, and those pages will be totally customizable by the device makers. Let's try plugging in a digital camera and see what happens. So the moment I plug in my digital camera, which by the way is an Olympus brand digital camera, you can see a different window opens up here for autoplay. It's recognizing it currently as a removable disk with import pictures and videos as the default option. Now I'm going to close this up, and you'll also notice it appears over here in my Devices and Printers window. Now eventually I would expect to see an Olympus page appear with options that are unique to my device. So watch out for DeviceStage, a new feature that will simplify and streamline the installation and setup for many of those multifunction devices you'll be connecting to your PC.